Have you ever felt your confidence slipping away, leaving you second-guessing your abilities and potential? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into some sneaky habits that might be secretly sabotaging your self-esteem. And more importantly, we're going to show you how to kick these habits to the curb and rebuild your confidence stronger than ever. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Bad habit number 1, negative self-talk. First up, let's talk about negative self-talk. This is when you constantly criticize yourself or set unrealistic standards of perfection. You might catch yourself thinking things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I always mess things up." Sound familiar? This kind of thinking can severely undermine your self-esteem and confidence. To combat negative self-talk, it's crucial to practice positive affirmations and cognitive restructuring. Positive affirmations are statements that reinforce your strengths and abilities. Cognitive restructuring, on the other hand, involves challenging and changing those negative thought patterns. Take Michael, for instance. He often thinks, "I'm not good enough to get this job." This negative thought stops him from applying for positions he's qualified for. Michael starts writing down positive affirmations like, "I am capable and qualified," and repeats them daily. Over time, these affirmations help shift his mindset. He begins to believe in his abilities and eventually applies for and secures a better job. According to cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, recognizing and altering negative thought patterns can lead to increased self-confidence and overall mental well-being. Bad habit number 2, comparing yourself to others. Constantly comparing yourself to others, especially on social media, can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-worth. To reduce the impact of social comparison, focus on your own progress and set personal goals. Limiting social media use can also help if it triggers negative comparisons. John, for example, often compares his career progress to his friends on LinkedIn and feels demoralized. To address this, John sets personal career goals and tracks his progress. He also limits his time on LinkedIn and instead focuses on developing his skills and celebrating his achievements. This shift in focus helps John feel more confident and motivated. Research indicates that social comparison is linked to lower self-esteem and higher levels of anxiety and depression. By focusing on personal goals, individuals can improve their self-esteem and overall mental health. Bad habit number 3, procrastination. Delaying tasks can lead to stress and feelings of incompetence, which can negatively impact your confidence. Effective time management techniques, like the Pomodoro technique or to-do lists, can help combat procrastination. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps and setting specific deadlines can make them less overwhelming. Take Emily, for instance. She often procrastinates on her projects, leading to last-minute stress. To overcome this habit, she starts using a planner to break down her tasks into smaller steps and set specific deadlines for each. By staying organized and managing her time better, Emily finds she can complete her work more efficiently and feels more confident in her abilities. Studies show that procrastination negatively impacts mental health and self-esteem. Effective time management strategies can help reduce procrastination and improve overall well-being. Bad habit number 4, lack of self-care. Another confidence killer is neglecting self-care. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and insufficient sleep can all contribute to low energy levels and a negative self-image. Incorporating regular exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep into your routine is crucial for maintaining physical and mental health. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help manage stress and improve self-esteem. Mike, for example, feels sluggish and unmotivated due to a poor diet and lack of exercise. He decides to make some lifestyle changes, including jogging 3 times a week and eating balanced meals. After a few weeks, Mike notices an improvement in his energy levels and overall mood, which boosts his confidence. Research shows that physical activity and proper nutrition are linked to improved self-esteem and mental health. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can enhance physical fitness, boost mood, and improve self-perception. Bad habit number 5, avoiding challenges. Avoiding challenges can also prevent personal growth and diminish self-confidence. This behavior often stems from a fear of failure or a lack of self-belief. To build confidence, it's essential to step out of your comfort zone gradually. Start by setting small, achievable goals that lead to bigger challenges. Celebrating small successes can build momentum and reinforce your belief in your abilities. Lisa avoids public speaking because she's afraid of failing. To overcome this fear, she starts by speaking up in small meetings and gradually takes on larger speaking roles. Each successful experience builds her confidence, and eventually, Lisa feels comfortable speaking in front of larger audiences. Exposure to new experiences and overcoming challenges enhance self-efficacy and confidence. The more individuals face and conquer challenges, the more they believe in their ability to succeed. Bad habit number 6, surrounding yourself with negative people. Finally, surrounding yourself with negative people can bring you down and damage your self-esteem. Spending time with critical or unsupportive individuals can make you doubt yourself and your abilities. Building a supportive social network and limiting time spent with negative people is crucial for maintaining self-esteem. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and encourage you, and seek out positive relationships. James feels down after spending time with a critical friend who constantly belittles his achievements. He decides to seek out friends who are positive and supportive. Over time, James notices an uplift in his mood and self-esteem, and he feels more confident in his abilities. Social support is crucial for mental health and self-esteem, while negative social interactions can have the opposite effect. Studies show that positive social relationships are linked to better mental health and higher self-esteem. By addressing these bad habits and implementing these fixes, you can significantly boost your confidence and improve your overall well-being. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you can make a huge difference in your life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other confidence-boosting tips you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.